So this is the Malabar spinach that I have planted in container. It's very healthy. You can tell by the size of the leaves, it's huge. But I still couldn't figure out what's eating it. The leaves are full of holes and it's just eating the whole thing. So I'm going to clean it up and see if I can still recover my Malabar spinach. We called it back home alugbati, but I've never seen as huge as this. Look at the massive leaves in here. So I'm gonna clean it up and figure it out. So this is how it looks like now after I clean up my Malabar spinach. All the leaves that has been damaged, I removed all of them, and guess what? I finally found the culprits. Here you go. Let's go get closer. So that's the culprits right here eating my Malabar spinach. So it's the slugs. There's one right here, and there is another one over right here. You see? Wow, look at how much leaves that they demolished. See that? That's all the damage. So now I can't eat these leaves, so we're just gonna start from the beginning again. So these spots are clean up. I'm going to remove the slugs. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, what's gonna happen to this Malabar spinach. But hopefully I can remove all the slugs that living in this container. Now I'm going to remove the slugs. I think there's one right here. There you go. There's the slugs. It's been eating my Malabar spinach. See that? So we'll remove this. So these are the slugs that I have found eating my Malabar spinach. Look at them. That's crazy. They almost finished my whole spinach plant. So anyways, I'm glad that they are being removed now, and hopefully I can have my Malabar spinach back. So after pruning it heavily and removing all the damaged leaves, this is how it looks like now. The plants are very healthy, so I am confident that it will survive and it will be able to bounce back. See, these are all the damaged leaves. Thank you all for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now!